Hey guys, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely change the seat of the Aerox. So this is the stock seat of the Aerox and we are going to do an install of this and that. To remove the seat you need to remove these two bolts. So this is the second racing seat. As you can see, it is slim and neat and it is very firm. I mean, it's beautiful the way it is built, and if you are a short guy you can go in for this seat because the Aerox is a pretty tall bike. The thickness is quite reduced compared to the stock seat. So this is a beautiful touring seat, makes the bike look a whole lot different. I mean, there's so much of material on the seat, the carbon fiber, fake carbon fiber looks, the fake Alcantara leather, and then these two panels, plastic panels, and then this backrest kind of lower back support. So yes, let me just hop on and give a quick review. I am sitting on the bike and this backrest is giving me good amount of support and there's nothing touching my front as well.